Hello everyone, and today's video tutorial I'm going to show you a very quick tip of the VS Code, and the tip is how you can change the look of these boring icons of the file into this. So there is a cool VS Code extension which is called material icon theme, and this will gonna change the look of these boring icons of the files into something different. So first thing, you have to go to the extensions and then search for material icon theme, and there we go, and then click into install. There are a bunch of other icons, but I really like this one, so I recommend you to use it. And then material icon theme. Now if you go back to your files, then you will see the changes in here. Now you can easily differentiate the folders, the JavaScript files, the CSS files, the SAS files, the PHP files, every file, so you can easily distinguish in your project. This is quite handy, and I hope this thing will change the vibe of your work. Thanks for watching.